This is a hot rod. And so are these, all of them, waiting their turn to participate in official time trials at El Mirage Dry Lakes in California. Every kind of car and every type of motor appears here, representing many man-hours and hard-earned dollars. A great share of the latest improvements in modern high-compression automobiles were developed right here on this hot rod strip. These men are officials of the Southern California Timing Association. They are pioneers in the field of hot rod racing. They have helped to overcome a public distaste for the words hot rod, and have served as an example to their younger members who are made to realize that their cars should be built for safety as well as speed. Each car has been inspected before it embarks on its time trial. The desire for perfection has created a sport that is educational as well as exciting to both participants and spectators. This is legal hot rod racing. There is no speed limit here. The idea is to go as fast as you can against a common opponent, the clock.